Welcome everyone. Finally, we have the agent mode that is available in the UE as of today, and you can see every month we can do up to 40 tasks. So let us try to do one specific task. So I have connected it to the web search for now, nothing much. And what I'm going to ask is, to create a detailed PowerPoint, or I can say slide PowerPoint slide for multi AI agents and um, uh, little bit more details if you want to say multi AI agents, multi AI agents and CrewAI and a project. If we just do for this for now, we will just do this thing. Create a detailed PowerPoint slide for multi AI agent and Crew AI. Nothing much. We're not and do research from where. Okay. Uh, when to use Crew AI versus LangGraph and use cases and some project ideas. So basic things. This is for my AI residency masterclass. So this is what we are trying to do. Just trying to see how our ChatGPT agent is going to work, and AI masterclass. Just the time also, just so that it will not do this thing and some project ideas. I'm just now playing it. So now the agent is thinking. Let us see, setting up my desktop. So I think this is very similar to operator. If you remember, it is going to open a particular basic thing that is there, and going to think. It is going to ask specific questions, and let us see. I did not give a lot of details, but how is it? If you can see now, the desktop is open. It goes to different documents like docs.2.ai. It is opening different web pages, as you can see here. Uh, so so that is fine. So opening data type articles. If you can see all these things, you can see all the activities. If you want to see the activities, or you want to see the desktop view, I think desktop view looks better. Is there an option to make it big? I don't think so, but let us see what is happening. So now it's interesting, it's fun. First time I'm doing this in, I have done operator, if you remember. It was available in the pro version, the $200 version, but now it is available in the plus, as I told you, up to 40 a day, 40 a month, which is okay. I think pro will have much more, but it's a good starting point. So it's reading all these documents, and so reading the GitHub, taking some good amount of time. 279 documents it is reading. It is looking into all the tools, memory, focus, cooperation, and we'll give it a couple of seconds till we resume it. It took couple of minutes. If you can see, they have created something. It worked for 18 minutes for the slide. Here you have completed the PowerPoint presentation for 2 hours AI Residency Masterclass. The deck introduces multi-agent systems, compares CrewAI and LangGraph with illustrative diagrams, tables, and codes and examples. So if you want to look at it, you can look at it like this. So it's in the ChatGPT server. It is taking example of this thing. It is giving the benefit, challenges. So it is giving these basic things that are there. So it's making a good PowerPoint. And the good thing is, in there is a limitation of there is some limitation of the slide in the Manus. They do up to 8. Here it is doing much more. So there I'm not sure if you can edit this here. You cannot edit this. Let us see what is the download feature that is available here. So download is in the PPTX format. So there is some issue. Let us repair. This looks nice in the PowerPoint. So this looks nice. Let me do 26th July. Project masterclass is tomorrow. Agenda, orchestral crew. So it's fine. Here I need to increase this. Little bit formatting is required. A benefit. So I need to push this little down. Multi-agent, single agent. Okay. Then we have these things that are there. Example, uh, line graph, the differences, use cases, project ideas, best practice, join our community. So it's a good job. So let me just save this as download CrewAI versus multi. So we can also save it in the proper uh, the latest presentation that is there. Yes. So it is done. So we can go back to ChatGPT, cross it, and let me know these adjustments. I will not do anything as of now. So if I go to agents, uh, I can see 39 left. So I've done one whole task. It took 18 minutes and one job went. So I think it done a pretty well job for this particular use case. And as you know, Manus can only do up to 8 slides. This did approximately more than that, 14 slides. So it is something nice. So go ahead and try to use ChatGPT agent and let us know.